Kamiluongo ni Theatre Hall ma yudore apaya ma Kiambu boma Nairobi. Ondamono en ranyisi mar bero ngima jopiny kaluwore ni ngima masani oridre ahinya ne jopiny. Kampen no iwacho ni en mar biro neno ni bech chiemo obedo maber ne jo Kenya duto.
Happy to be here today as we formally launch our campaign that encompasses what exactly we are actually talking about the Kenyan customer. During these particular harsh times, we want to come back, have an intense moment so that Kenyan families can be able to continue enjoying. So we are happy that our partners have come to us, together with us. They have partnered us, most of our suppliers are. We'll continue giving heavy discounts. We'll have very nice offers across the board every week, every weekend for the next 9 weeks, all the way from our Easter to our back to school period and to the whole entire period. Our campaign this time around, because it's a political season, but we also want to bring it out such that people should not forget the actual thing that is going on right now. If you look at exactly what is there, we need to actually go back to the people. We need to give, and we need to work together to just say, hey, you know what, prices are high, but we all need to come in and try as much as possible to push on the Kenyan consumer. So we are happy. There are brands that you're actually working with to make sure that Kenyan customers can actually be able to go during the next 9 weeks. For the Easter, for their back to school, for the Eid celebration, and we all just have one proper campaign that can be able to help them to save money.